Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jeremy. This is day one review of my wife's keto journey towards weight loss using the custom keto diet plan. So we're ready to chop up all this fat, get this out, get the good stuff going in. All right, so screenshot below of my wife's current weight. This is her stats, which show, in addition to her weight, her height, the daily calories she's going to intake per day, keeping good water, good hydration, along with her core target weight, and then her activity level. This summarizes basically her stats from our intro video here, and I showed you how to input those when you go into the custom keto diet site, the website for this, and then her, of course, the weight expectations that this program has set up. So really awesome. Oh, again, so this plan is generated based on my wife's information. So your information will change depending on what you input into the site. But the beauty about this plan is it's customized, and it can be customized to each and every person that selects it. So just like the title of the program said, custom keto diet. So it will generate the right ratio of proteins, fats, and carbs based on your information and what's right for you. So that's super important to your success. The next slide. This next area shows about the week one plan. So here's the meal plan. It says week one, and below you'll get information about the meal plan for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even a snack. So what's cool about this program is you can switch between meals, and you'll see that right down here. It says swap this recipe under each of these meals, and then you can pick from all the different meals that's got prepared, and it goes into more in depth from there. Now we've selected breakfast, and we have the following meal here, which is the keto breakfast crepe. So this breakfast we had, it tasted amazing. Here's a picture of it on the left. Looks good. Definitely looks delicious. And here's our picture of it on the right after we made it. So I'm no master chef, but this is the best I could do, and it definitely tasted great. And we did make a couple alternatives to this, since the original recipe asked for alfalfa sprouts, but I used spinach leaves instead and just chopped them up very fine, so that was good. But most importantly, it was easy to prepare, it cooked fast, tasted great, and most importantly, I was satisfied. We were satisfied from it. Now I'm going to move on to lunch. And this lunch we had selected the salmon and tomatoes with broccoli, which was amazing. So on the left, here's a screenshot of how it looks, in a perfect world, right? And then on the right is basically our attempt that we made at it, which was it stood up to everything that the recipe showed for. Huge taste, huge flavor. And the cool thing about it is, we made it ourselves, so we selected all the ingredients and we know exactly what went into it and how it was prepared. So that was super awesome. And then we move on to dinner. And our dinner, we selected the salmon and spinach omelette. The salmon and spinach omelette. So again, on the left is the picture from the site. On the right is our attempt, which was almost spot on. It was super tasty, and we really enjoyed it. Now, everyone every now and then needs a snack, and after dinner, a couple hours after dinner, we chose the keto cauliflower and cheese meal. And on the left is the site's picture, and on the right is our attempt at it. And now this was actually, it was very surprising. The cauliflower, it tasted great with the combination of the cheeses and so forth with it. and it's a great alternative to noodles, which is kind of like a more typical diet that I was used to, a more typical snack that I was used to. So great alternative with the cauliflower. So we were surprisingly satisfied eating this one because we don't really. This is the first time eating this version of a cauliflower. Okay, so those are the meals that we had for today. So how do we feel after eating all of that? I can tell you everything tastes delicious. And we felt satisfied. We didn't even need to crave beyond what we ate. So far so good. So thanks for watching, guys, and tune in tomorrow to continue to watch our keto journey, where I will be continuing to keep an update on my wife's weight loss progress. And stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. And if you want to find out more information on the custom keto diet, please click the link below, and we'll all see you tomorrow.